That's my crazy daughter. She just likes to stick the whole cracker in her mouth. Sassy just looking at her. Really? You stick all that in your mouth? And she loves it though. Yeah, Zelia? It's all in her mouth. And she's happy. What are you doing? Where are you going now? Was that cracker good? Was that a good cracker, Azalea? Silly munchkin. Okay, say bye-bye. Say bye. Bye now. Bye.